What's up, guys? I wanted to take a quick minute to introduce you to the course I Teach Credit, and I wanted you to understand why I created I Teach Credit. About 6-7 years ago, I couldn't even get a credit card. I had no idea how credit worked, and I had no idea the impact it was having on my life. And when I started to really learn and understand how credit worked, and I realized that there were free tools and technology that could teach me how it worked, and that if I actually had other people, which I paid for some information to learn, a couple $1,000s worth of information, but if I took the time and really understood how credit worked, my life changed dramatically. And what I want to do is I want to show you how I used Credit Karma. As you can see, this is my Credit Karma here. It's live. This is my actual Credit Karma here. You can click in one of these here. It'll show you my credit factors. I just want you to see what I'm going to do is in the following lessons, I'm going to use Credit Karma to show you how to boost, build, and manage your credit score using free tools and technology like apps like Credit Karma and Credit Sesame, NerdWallet, Wallet Hub, using all these free things to manage your credit score right from the palm of your hand. As you guys, you can see, I'm sitting in my house. I'm not a millionaire. There's no Ferraris in my garage. But guess what? I love those people because they motivate me, and they should motivate you as well. And what I want to do is motivate you right now to build and boost your score. You don't have to have an 800 credit score. It's not needed. If you can get to the 700 range, I promise you your life will get better, the rewards will be sweeter, your interest rates will be lower, and you'll have a lot more confidence when it comes to your credit scores. Now, when I got started 6-7 years ago, debit card lifestyle, here you go. That's all I could use. Why? Because I didn't understand how credit worked, I wasn't disciplined, and that's really the key, guys. Having good credit really only comes down to 3 simple things. Time, a little bit of knowledge, which I'm going to show you and teach you, that I paid a lot of money for, but I'm going to share and show it with you, and discipline. Really comes down to discipline. And when I talk about discipline, I'm going to talk about the same discipline that's required to have cards like this. This is the American Express Gold Card. As you can see, it is my name. Why do I love the Centurion so much? Because the Centurion represents 2 things. Number 1 is discipline. Whatever I spend on that card, I have to pay it off at the end of the month. Number 2, it represents freedom. There's very big limits that can come with that. When you build a nice relationship with American Express, you will see that you too will have a lot of fun in your future. So, with that being said, I want to thank you guys for joining this group or for signing up for this program. I want you to dive on into the lessons. If you have problems, if you have questions, if you're not sure of something, send me an email. If we need to set up a one-on-one consultation, I'll be more than happy to do that. We'll talk about those particulars. But right now, I want you to click into lesson 1 and get started with Credit Karma so that you too can learn how to build, boost, and manage your credit score. Thanks, guys. I'll see you on the inside.